What's up, everybody on YouTube? I am Zombie Shower, as I am known here on the Xbox 360 and the One. Today, for my first video ever, we will be playing D4, Dark Dreams Never Die. Don't die. Dark Dreams Don't Die. And well, as I have never recorded videos before, this one will kind of be the test. Determining, I have no idea. So, enough waiting around. Let's jump into the game I'd never heard of until it was free with gold on the Xbox One. No, I do not have a Connect. It sounds like this. I'm sorry, Connect. Oh, when is the game going to start? Ah, there we go. Hey. Okay. Forgot to set up my settings before I start this. Funny thing is, I'm going into this game blind. I have no idea what the heck it's about, what I'm going to be doing, if I'm even going to like it. I don't even know. Thank goodness there are subtitles. That's all I need to check. I am good to go. I always play games with subtitles at all times because there are tons of stuff I never understand. And whatever. Okay. Nice little interactive.
David.
This is a story of a man with a very strange fate.
Hey, look. It's like I've grown wings.
What? I am playing on the Xbox One, right? Oh, this is not for me. This is not for me. It's for me. It's a point-and-click game on the Xbox. This is all the gameplay you're gonna see. Okay. This is the gameplay. Ooh. Something sense. Never expect anything to be serious. Oh, hold on. Okay. So much game. What? There's a rabbit. Didn't even move. What? Pushed it. Beautiful, soft, and cute. Just in case you didn't see that. What's wrong with you, dude? Is this Saw? Oh, it's definitely Saw. Huh. Okay. Well, I'm sorry there's a delay between the video and my voice. I am still not sure about that, but would you look at that? It's 0 a.m. It's 12 o'clock. The date is, we have no idea. Oh, we must not have any idea what the time is either. But we know we are in Thompsonville, Montana? I don't know. I don't know, MA. We got 100 stamina, 10 vision, 10 life. There's fighting. Well, I guess we're still in the prologue. Well, thank you for joining me on this first interesting playthrough. I hope to see you again. Goodbye and good night. Thank you for watching. You can go now.